some snacks, and it's kind of chocolate. Yeah, it's chocolate, and this is blueberry yogurt cake, and the blueberry yogurt cake is this one, and the bangani choco waffle is this one, and the croissant with the bigger red bread, more filling, is this one. So let's taste this first. The blueberry cake. I think it's gonna be a 9/10. It's pretty good though. Let's try this.
Mommy, can you put chocolate?
Wait,
Mommy,
I haven't fixed the chocolate.
Mommy, I want more chocolate.
It also might be a 9/10. This one. This one's kind of good. I think these are all going to be 10/10. I've cut into pieces. Okay. Now, Dutch milk. Is blueberry my favorite fruit, but I haven't tasted it. I was always telling my mom to buy me blueberry, but it's too expensive. Can't even open it because my hands are too slippery. Can you please help? Okay, there you go. Where is it? Oh yeah, it's over here. Okay, so here it is the straw. Let's put the plastic in. First we need to shake it, because if you don't shake it, it will taste like bubble. It's like kind of Subway Surfers. Can you guys hear it? See? It's like when Jake is spreading. Sorry if I don't finish them first. You guys might think this is juice, but this is just water. And my sister's joining too. Her name is Elizabeth.
Hello.
She's 3 years old. And I'm turning 7. She's turning 4 and I'm turning 7.
Thank you.
Ew. Hi guys. Just need to sit down. Alright. Finished. Let's go with this.
Blueberry is my favorite.
Sorry if I don't finish it. Next video again. It'll be just right a moment. Bye guys.